This is the tail end of the Collision Conference that was held in Toronto. It's the largest convention of startups and scale-ups in North America. And on the final day, they're coming to see the ecosystems in the region.
I'm from Korechi. We're showcasing our two robots, the Romeo and the Romeo Mini. We essentially make robots to automate some of the more mundane and repetitive tasks in field and farm maintenance.
The Offutt Center for Child Studies is a multidisciplinary research institute. It is affiliated with both McMaster and Hamilton Health Sciences. We have about 21 core researchers who focus on child and youth mental health research.
There's so much innovation, so many entrepreneurs, everyone's so helpful, giving you ideas, and you see others working, and you're just motivated. It's a constant flood of motivation. We just loved it.
This is what the park is all about, being that one place that you can access everything that you need to live, work, play, and innovate and grow your company.
Hamilton is the city where innovation goes to work. And a lot of that work ethic came from our advanced manufacturing background and making of steel. We still make steel, but we make other great things out of it.
We want the community to know that we are Hamilton's resource, or bringing people in to show them what we're doing and all the amazing companies here.
We find it's a great place to showcase the excellent research that the group of researchers upstairs at the Offutt Center do. And also this is a way to connect with the rest of the organizations located at the McMaster Innovation Park.
Hamilton is a piece of the ecosystem, but we're really hitting way above our weight class in terms of support for companies and for scale-ups and for bringing ideas to life.